Dear student of PES Modern College of Engineering from Electrical Engineering, BEV division. My name is P.S. Zafar. My name is Unmesh Shere. My name is Akash Sudhar. My name is Saurabh Dinkare. Our project title is started the starter with PLC and by using current transformer, and it is under the guidance of Gurkar ma'am and industrial expert Shashi Mukdum sir, and our project coordinator is Dr. Deepa Bhandari ma'am. And our objectives of projects are to limit the starting current of motor, automation and control, fault protection, and to enhance the motor performance.
So this is the wiring diagram of our project. In that, 3-pole MCB, 2-pole MCB, 3 contactors that are main contactor, star contactor and delta contactor, overload relay, current transformer that is CT, induction motor, signal converter, relay board, push buttons, and Allen Bradley Micrologics 1400 series A. These components are used in our project. In that, 3-pole and 2-pole MCB is used for power supply. 3-pole MCB is used for energizing the main contactor, delta and star contactor. And after that, 2-pole MCB is used for the SMPS and PLC, because our PLC is energized on 220 volt AC supply, and the output and inputs are energized by 5 volt DC. These 5 volt energizes the input and output of PLC. And after that, start push button and stop push button are used for the start and stop purpose of the motor. In that, main contactor, star contactor and delta contactor is used for control the motor. The overload relay is also used. This is the thermal overload relay. This is used for the over current protection of the motor. After that, we are using current transformer, that is CT. CT is used for to sense the current of motor when we have to shift the motor star to delta. After that, signal converter is used for 0 to 5 ampere AC into 4 to 20 milliampere DC, because our PLC needs 4 to 20 milliampere DC supply. In that, relay board is also used. Relay board is used for switching the power supply from DC to AC, because from PLC output the supply is given to the relay input board. And after that, relay switches this supply into 220 volt AC. And after that, the main and star contactor energizes. The PLC Micrologics 1400 series A. This PLC is used for our project. In this PLC, the program is uploaded with the help of RSLogix 500, and the connectivity of the PLC is done with Ethernet cable with our PC or laptop. Firstly, switch on the 3-pole MCB and 2-pole MCB, that is the main supply. It energizes the PLC, and when we push the start push button, the motor start rotating in star connection, that is the main contactor and star contactor is energizes and motor start rotating. The current transformer senses the current, and after some time it switches into the delta connection of motor and motor start safely. So this is the working of our project.
Hardware of project. Here is a 3-pole MCB used for 3-phase supply. Here is a 2-pole MCB used for single phase supply for PLC and SMPS. It is the SMPS. SMPS is used for 220 volt into 24 volt DC. This is the PLC Micrologics 1400 series A with the input of 20 input and 12 output capacity. The input current is used for the analog signal. This is the signal converter used for converting 0 to 5 ampere to 4 to 20 milliampere. Uh, this is a relay channel used for switching the supply, and the 3 contactors are used for controlling the motor. This is the main contactor, delta contactor, and star contactor. The thermal overload relay is used for the production of overcurrent of motor. The current transformer is used for the sensing the current of motor. Here is a two terminal block. One is the power terminal block and motor terminal block, and here is terminal block used for the connection of PLC. These three indicators are used for RYB supply. This indicator is used for the delta, and the two push buttons are used: start push button and stop push button. These are the connections of our project. The three-phase supply is given to the MCB from the power circuit, and it is given to the 3-pole MCB and 2-pole MCB. The 2-pole MCB is used for the SMPS, and SMPS convert the 220 volt into 24 volt DC, and this is given to the PLC for the input and output energizing, and the single phase supply is given to the PLC for energize the PLC. Then after this supply is given to the relay channel. Output of relay channel is given to energize the 3 contactors, and it is used to start the motor. To start the AC main supply. Then after this, 3-pole MCB and 2-pole MCB. The program is uploaded in the PLC with the help of Micrologics 500. And this is the start push button and stop push button. After the pressing the start push button, the motor starts in firstly star connection, and CT senses the current, and after sensing the current, the motor shift in delta connection. Start the motor. Motor goes in firstly star, and then after sensing the current, this goes in delta.